Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Mingda Magician Pro2. Let's see if this printer truly works its magic. First off, let's talk about build volume. With a whopping 400 by 400 by 400 mm space, you've got plenty of room to bring your larger-than-life ideas to reality. Whether it's prototyping or crafting intricate designs, this printer has got you covered. Assembly is a breeze with the Magician Pro2. Coming about 90% pre-assembled, you'll be up and running in no time. Just slide on the gantry, tighten a few bolts, and you're good to go. Plus, with its sturdy design and thoughtful cable management, maintenance is a cinch. Navigating the interface is a breeze with its intuitive color LED touchscreen. From leveling the bed to loading filament, everything is just a tap away. And speaking of filament, this printer supports PLA, PETG, and TPU, giving you versatility in your printing materials. Now, let's talk performance. The Magician Pro 2 may not be the fastest horse in the race, but it's certainly the quietest. Thanks to its Marlin firmware, you can print away without the constant hum of cooling fans. And with auto bed leveling, you can say goodbye to tedious manual adjustments. But what about the prints themselves? Well, I put this printer through its paces, from benchy tests to larger projects like Zach Friedman's Hextraction game. And let me tell you, the results speak for themselves. Solid prints with mostly even walls and minimal fuss. So, is the Mingda Magician Pro2 worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely. While it may not be the speed demon of the 3D printing world, its quiet operation, ease of use, and quality prints make it a standout choice, especially for those who value reliability and peace of mind. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy printing!